So this radiator support is all ready to weld in.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm around in the car.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Honda Odyssey here. This one got blasted. I'm gonna go ahead and roughly pull this out just to bring all the damage out. And then I'll go ahead and start cutting this one apart. I'm gonna do a few quick checks with this tram bar here. I'm gonna check the length, compare it side to side. That looks good. Now I'm gonna do an X. That looks good as well. So this radiator support is all ready to weld in. So I'm gonna go ahead and zap this in. Then I will seam seal everything and I will have our paint department come over and get all this painted so I could get this car kind of back together to where it's mobile again. Alright, well Chris came over and got all of this all cut in and sprayed for me. So I'm going to go ahead, what I have here is 3M cavity wax. And this sprays in a 360-degree pattern. And I hose it inside of all the areas where there's bare metal inside. And it will seep into all the seams and keep it from rusting. I want to put this everywhere possible and be very liberal with it. I have another Honda Odyssey here. This one got hit in this quarter extension right here, right in the bumper cover, and it shoved all of this in quite a bit, and it went in enough to actually cause a buckle in the quarter panel right here. So I'm going to start working this out. I'm gonna try to work it out from the inside here by pushing on it and see if I can drive it all out. We will see how it goes. I got this one all fit together. The bumper cover and the taillight, everything's fitting up very nicely. So I'm gonna send this one on over to Eric to do the fill work on the quarter panel and this extension down here. So that's a wrap on this one.